Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, October 5th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Today was a historical day, at least a historical day for me, probably a historical day for the stock market too also. We had a really good day on Friday, but I'd gotten into a ton of positions and I hadn't even counted them up on Friday, but I did count them up before I did this video. We came in today with 31 positions. That's an extraordinary high number. Our entire portfolio is only 50 to 55 stocks, so basically we were filled on 2/3 of our positions and carried those coming into today. Out of those 31 positions, 30 were positive. Only one was negative, and that wasn't even very big negative. And these 31 positive positions were all very high positives. And we had, I think, 3 outliers in all that. I mean, it's just an extraordinary day. Yeah, I closed out over $68,000 today, almost $70,000. This is a record for me. Haven't ever closed out that much money in a single day in 6 years. So that's another record. I mean, absolutely nothing went wrong today. It was just amazing. And we have come through a period of time, one of the toughest trading periods I've ever been through. I mean, for length of time anyway, it's been the toughest period. We started getting bad stocks and markets about the last week of April, and it's just been continuously day after day of frustrating, difficult trading since way back then. And for all of a sudden today to have this extraordinary turnaround day and make more money than I ever have since I've been trading, it's just mind-blowing. I'm still kind of in shock. Obviously pretty happy about it though. You can see here what happened. On Friday, the Dow started out very negative. I thought it was going into the toilet here, and it's just coming down here. I'm thinking that maybe my prediction that those lows of August 24th, maybe they weren't going to hold. But the thing turns around and does this unbelievable rally, and of course this rally on Friday is what put us in 31 positions. And then to get into 31 positions and have follow through today, like you wouldn't believe, the Dow ended up closing up over 300 points today. But I mean, it pushed up big time right at the beginning, and of course that just did wonders for all our exits, resulting, as I say, that all 31 of those positions exited. None of them held, and we took out nearly $70,000 in profits on this move. Just unbelievable. And this swing from the low on Friday to the high of today is 800 points. So we're getting pretty close to 17,000 up here, and once we get through 17,000, 18,000 isn't very far away, and that's putting us in new all-time high territory for the Dow. So this, I'm definitely declaring the correction over with, and I'm also believe that today's move clearly reaffirmed my predictions back on August 24th that huge spike down, 1,000 points in 10 minutes. That spike down constituted the low of this terrible correction we have gone through. The correction is over with. The next stop up is going to be new highs for the Dow. That's my prediction. Anyway, I'd be here all day showing you good trades today. We basically had 30 good trades. So let me show you, I'll show you the 3 outliers we had instead. This first one is in CSIQ, that's Canadian Solar. All the solar energies did excellent today. And we had bought Canadian Solar about midday. Most of our buys on Friday were kind of midday buys. We didn't get into them at the beginning of the day, as often is the case. And it just kept going. Then we get this nice gap up right before our exits this morning. We took over $5,000 out of Canadian Solar. The next one I'll show you is a stock that I've been actually considering dumping lately, just because it's sold off a lot. It's down in the $3-4 range now, and you can see here that it gets kind of thin. This is JRJC, that's China Finance Online, and we got into this second hour or so on Friday. It didn't do too much for us, but we had this big push up right at the beginning of the day today, and we get out of that with, again, over $5,000 out of China Finance Online. Really a nice trade. Before I throw JRJC out of the portfolio, I'm going to remember today, and I'm also going to remember that JRJC gave us our largest single trade for 2015. We had a trade, I think it was like $32,000 or something. That was back near the beginning of the year, but I'm not going to throw this stock out of the portfolio quite yet. And finally, as I say, we had 30 great trades today, but well, let's see here. Hang on here. I gotta think first what I'm doing. Okay. We had 30 great trades today. Out of those 30 great trades, this was the best of them all. Again, this is solar energy. This is SunEdison, and we had bought this after, into the second half of the day on Friday, and then it just really shot up early this morning to get us out beautifully. We took over $8,000 out of SunEdison. Fantastic. Anyway, unbelievable day. I'm higher than a kite emotionally because of this. God, we needed this, folks. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.